Welcome back to the next video in the Library Skills for Biblical Studies series. This video will cover concordance tools. Bridwell Library provides access to Accordance. Tips and videos on how to use this software can be found on the Accordance Research Guide. The Biblical Studies Research Guide also provides a list of online concordances. These offer concordance tools for students unable to visit Bridwell or afford their own copy of Accordance. Concordances are useful because they allow you to learn about a word and how it appears in the text. Concordances demonstrate how the same Hebrew or Greek word can be translated differently depending on the context in which it appears. When you conduct a concordance search for the Hebrew root for beginning, you will find that it is translated a variety of different ways. In some cases, it has been translated as beginning. In others, however, it has been translated as first or choicest. The original Hebrew term has a range of meanings depending on its context. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch the other videos in this series, and please reach out if you have any questions.